Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn mathematics, whole numbers, day 8. So let us see associative property. Associative property of whole numbers. So మనకి తెలుసు capital letter W ని ఏమనుకుంటాం whole numbers. So star అంటే any operation. It is addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. Any operation. Okay. If A, B, C are any three whole numbers, A, B, C అనేవి ఏనా త్రీ హోల్ నెంబర్స్ అయినప్పుడు if A star B bracket star C equal to A star bracket B star C. స్టార్ అంటే అక్కడ either plus or minus or multiplication into or division. Then whole numbers follows associative law. ఇది ఫాలో అవుతే అసోసియేటివ్ లా ఫాలో అయినట్టు ఓకేనా సో లెట్ us see if star equal to plus addition then a plus bracket a plus b plus c equal to a plus bracket b plus c. If star equal to subtraction minus then bracket a minus b minus c equal to a minus bracket b minus c. If it is multiplication then a into bracket a into b into c equal to a into bracket b into c. If it is division then a divided by b divided by c equal to a divided bracket b divided c. So ఇవి ఫాలో అవుతున్నాయో లేదో let us see. Check whole numbers follows associative law under addition. So now let us see in addition. So let us take a equal to 2 and b equal to 4. So any two whole numbers and c equal to 1. So three whole numbers తీసుకున్నాం. So let us check this. Bracket a plus b plus c equal to. So same process లో bracket మనకు తెలుసు కదా. So here a is 2 plus b is 4 plus c is 1. So same process లో నెంబర్ వేసుకున్నాం. సో బ్రాకెట్ లో ఉన్న నెంబర్ ఫస్ట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం 2 plus 4 2 plus 4 is 6 and then plus 1 6 plus 1 is 7. Now let us see a plus bracket b plus c. సో సేమ్ అది ఎలా ఉందో సేమ్ అలాగే రాసుకున్నాం. సో 2 plus bracket 4 plus 1. Now bracket లో ఏముంది ఇక్కడ 4 plus 1. So first add in brackets. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 2 plus 5 is 7. Therefore a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. So whole numbers follow associative law under addition. So equal అయినాయి కదా 7 7. Whole numbers follows associative law under addition. Now let us see subtraction. For associative law, check whole numbers follows associative law under subtraction. So let us take numbers a equal to 2 and b equal to 4 and c equal to 1. Any numbers, any whole numbers. Okay. Now in subtraction a minus b minus c. So same process లో bracket లో a minus b ఉంది కనుక a minus b minus c. So that is a place లో 2 and b place 4 c place లో 1. So same numbers వేసుకున్నాం. So first calculate in brackets. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1. How much? Minus 3. Now a minus bracket b minus c. Let us see this సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్ లో నెంబర్స్ వేయాలి. 2 మైనస్ బ్రాకెట్ 4 మైనస్ 1. సో బ్రాకెట్ లో ఏముంది ఇక్కడ 4 మైనస్ 1. సో 4 minus 1 is 3. That is 2 minus 3. So what is the answer here? Minus 1. Is it same? Minus 3 and minus 1 are equal? No, it is not equal. Therefore, A minus B minus C not equal to B minus A minus B minus A. So it does not follow under subtraction. So whole numbers do not follow associative law under subtraction. Okay. Now let us see for multiplication. Check whole numbers follows associative law under multiplication. So let us take A equal to 2 and B equal to 4, C equal to 1. ఈ నెంబర్సే తీసుకోవాలని ఏమీ లేదు, ఏదైనా నెంబర్ ఏదైనా హోల్ నెంబర్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. సో లెట్ us check this. So here A into B in bracket into C. So same brackets వేసుకుని same process లో A place లో 2, B place లో 4, C place లో 1. So let us write. So here 2 into 4 bracket 2 into 4 into 1. First bracket calculate చేసుకోవాలి కనుక 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is 8. So and then 8 into 1. 8 into 1 is 8. Now A into bracket B into C. So same brackets ఎలా ఉన్నాయో అలాగే వేసుకుందాం. So A place లో 2 into bracket B place లో 4 and C place లో 1. So here first bracket లో ఏముంది 4 into 1. 4 into 1 is 4. That is 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. So 8 8 equal. Therefore bracket A into B into C equal to A into B into C. So it follows in multiplication. So whole numbers follows associative law under multiplication. Is it clear? Now let us see for division. Check whole numbers follows associative law under division. So let us take A equal to 2 and B equal to 4 and C equal to 8. So A divided by B bracket A divided by B divided by C. So same numbers వేసుకుందాం. A divided by B అంటే ఏంటి? A by B ఏ కదా. So 2 by 4 divided by 8. So 1 by 2 divided by 8. That is డివిజన్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ లో వెళ్ళినప్పుడు నెంబర్ రివర్స్ అవుతుందమ్మా, రెసిప్రోకల్ అవుతుంది కదా. 8 ఇంటూ అయినప్పుడు డివిజన్. సో దట్ ఈస్ 8 ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు 1 by 8. That is 1 by 16. So let us see A divided bracket B divided by C. So bracket లో B divided by C ఉంది కనుక that equal to 2 divided by 4 by 16. 4 by 16 is 1 by 4. So here so multiplication వచ్చినప్పుడు రెసిప్రోకల్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి సో 1 by 4 ని 4 by 1 అని రాసుకుంటాం. 4 by 1 అంటే 4 ఏ కదా. దట్ ఈస్ 4. 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. అంటే 8 1 by 16 that is not equal. Therefore A divided by B divided by C not equal to A divided B divided by C. Is it clear? So it does not follow under division. Whole numbers do not follow associative law under division. So let us take here whole numbers under addition. So first closure property చూద్దాం. ముందు మనం చూసాం కదా. So closure property లో in addition it follows and in subtraction it does not follows. Multiplication, it follows closure property. Division, it does not follows closure property. And then commutative law. Commutative law చూసాం కదా. Commutative law in addition, it follows. In subtraction, it does not follows. And in multiplication, yes, it follows. And in division, it does not follows. Now in associative law, in addition, it follows. And in subtraction, it does not follows. And in multiplication, it follows. And in division, it does not follows. So అన్ని ప్రాపర్టీస్ లోని ఎడిషన్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఫాలో అవుతుంది. And then subtraction and division does not exist. Okay, so practice this, children. Have a nice day. Thank you.